All right. Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put your windows up. Your windows right here. So in order to put it up, you have to engage this button. So you push it up, and that's an auto feature, and that'll make the whole thing go down. Or you can pull back on it, and it'll go up like that. Now, it also works for the passenger side. So you push that down and it'll move the window down too. So, and then it'll go back up doing that. And then the rear windows are these buttons right here. So you push down and it goes down. Isn't that cool? You push down and the window goes down. You push down and the window goes down. And then you can stop it midway because it has an auto feature. And so see that? So that's how you put your windows up and down on a Toyota RAV4. Now you can lock this feature, and now the passenger or the rear people in their defined seats, they cannot use their windows down. So that's a window lock. But now they can. So the manual, there is no manual windows here, so you're out of luck if the electronics go out and you need to get the window down. And in case of emergency, like you go into like a water, you can pull back. You can take this off, rip the headrest off, right out, and then you'll use the back of this and break the window. So that's another video. All right, Toyota RAV4, ravioli. Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. If you're trapped underwater or your car is going underwater and you need to get out of your car, or if you just need to get out of your car real quick and the doors are locked they're stuck, you can't get the doors open, you can't get your way out, all the doors, your headrest. Quickly, there usually be a button or something, and you hold it in and you pull out, and it's a feature it's a known feature where you use the back of it and break your window. You can break your window with that metal, and there we go. That's how you do that. So that's how you quickly there we go. That's how you quickly break a window and save your life and the life of others. You use the headrest. So use their headrest. How to use a headrest to save your life in a RAV4. Have a great and wonderful day.